Hello guys, this is Mecowhy, and I have a problem with my Cadillac SRX. This is 2012 SRX. It's front wheel drive, and I have the StabiliTrak error message. Okay, I can reset it here. Okay, now it's gone, but we have the lights. Let's get rolling. Okay, so when we start driving at the low speed, the lights disappear. We keep on driving, and anytime I exceed 50 miles per hour, the error comes back. Okay, so I'm going to use my handy dandy blue driver code reader. Let's turn the car off, pop that bad boy in, and let's power up the car. Let's run all system modules. Okay, so we have one anti-lock brake system code. Let's see what's that. So we have a code C0050, and this is basically the right rear wheel bearing. What's really frequent on the Cadillacs is actually the wheel bearing needs to be replaced. So there is no tool like internet to find the right parts. I'm going to look for the wheel bearing on AC-Delco website. AC-Delco is OE manufacturer for GM, which means they will have the right part number for the aftermarket replacement. So let's select the vehicle, which is 2012 in my case, Cadillac SRX 3.6 liter engine. Now let's select the wheel bearing as well as the proper rear wheel bearing. So there are two different part numbers. The top one is for years 2010 through 2014. The bottom one is more universal, 2010 through 2016, so it will fit the entire second generation of SRXs. So I'm going to pick this particular part number, and we will go to Amazon to find us some good deals. So let's enter the part number in the search. As you can see, multiple results on Amazon.com. Link to all those results will be in the description below. As you can see, again, multiple different bearings. I'll pick the least expensive one. I'm trying to save some money here. All wheel bearings are made somewhat similar to a certain degree. It's also $39.89 with free Prime membership if you have Prime. So again, $39.89 as you can see, it comes with 1-year warranty, which is pretty good for this price. So let's get it ordered and let's start the work. So we tried a few different methods to take this damn hub off the car. Let's try to force it out. Serious force, 10 pounds sledgehammer. Ha, ha. Beautiful. This is exactly what I was looking for. Let's see what's the difference. You can see a magnetic ring right here, and based on this thing picks up signal from the magnet and understands the speed of the wheel. As you can see here on the old bearing, this whole thing is cracked. I remember seeing some pieces here, like a tiny little piece here, but this is just bad design. Well, let's get this all assembled. Okay, so the car is fixed. Now I'm going to reset the codes, take it for a test drive. Let's see what the results are going to be. Okay, read codes, all system modules. Okay, codes removed. As you can see, no codes. Let's put the car in reverse. Let's take it for a test drive. Heh, 21 miles per hour. No codes. Let's go for a longer ride. I think I should buckle up. Yeah, look at this. No codes. The dashboard looks like it should. Let's try to do aggressive braking. See what the ABS, if the ABS would kick in. Yeah, some people outside, I want to scare them. Okay. At the very end, it worked. Excellent. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so was this job hard? Well, yes and no. It was fairly easy. No, just undo some bolts, remove it. No axle, since it's a front-wheel drive car, so we didn't have to deal with removing the axle. What usually makes it slightly more difficult. The difficult part was actually getting the old hub off the spindle, and there was some frustration and there was some time wasted. If I've taken the pipe wrench to start with and just, you know, smack it a few times like I did, it would save me some hassle and some frustration. Well, I guess we all learn as we go, and I learned something new: to use the pipe tools when working on the vehicle. Anyway, all the tools that I'm using are linked below, so you can get them off Amazon. You know, I highly recommend the Blue Driver code reader. Works with any car and works on all modules. It's $100 well spent. The new bearing also linked below, some of the tools. Well, that's all for today. So welcome back to my garage. Has not been even a week since I replaced the wheel hub on the passenger side. Guess what? 3 days. I had no ABS light on my dashboard for 3 days. We had heavy rain. I hit a paddle. I guess the magnet was already broken on the driver's side rear wheel, because now after hitting a paddle, I'm getting the same codes, but this time on the driver's side. So I already have a new hub sitting behind me on the on the car, and I'll be doing the same thing one more time. Well, I'll put some music on, and I guess I'll do the same thing one more time. Thank you for watching. See you guys. Bye.